Robots in motion in 3, 2, 1, go! And we got a couple of blue robots here. On the red side, looking for some sort of move. I think it's one. Oh, there's a red one up high, and go! That could be it. 30-10 blue. Got a blue ball still on the field that needs to get off before they start to work the cycle. Got red ball coming back into play right now. That is sick. So trying to get a handle on that ball. Push it over on the side. Meanwhile, we've got Joe DeMarks. Joe DeMarks moving down from Western High School. Driving like a girl right down all the way to the blue side of the field. Trying to get themselves up. And oh! Look at that. Little defensive maneuvering by the Body Electric as Rafa blocks him off on a score. But that's not going to stop Joe DeMarks. They're a little bounce into the lower goal. Doing it the hard way with 90 seconds left. 31-10. Okay, now on the red side is also able to cycle here. Got a ball down there in the field. That's just hanging out. We got a blue ball moving up 25-28. Here come the Robo-Dubs again. Western High School shooting high. Shooting good. Nice job there. So pushing over here by the Robo Panthers. The Scorpion is on the move, trying to get hold of that red ball. Moving over. Meanwhile, 1389 trying to get a little bit of room. Rafa trying to block out some of those blue, blue robots. As we got the Robo Panthers now, the Scorpion from Parkdale Robotics. Down to the red ball. Down to 45 seconds left. This one's close, 41-21. We got a low goal on the red side of the field. 41-21, red ball coming back in. Got a blue ball up against the blue lower goals to get the score. As we got the last 30 seconds. It's not going to be a high scoring one, but